In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cover thumbnail in Figma. A great cover thumbnail makes your files easy to spot and gives your project a professional, organized feel. The best part is that Figma lets you set any frame on your canvas as the file's thumbnail, so what you design is exactly what shows up in your file browser. Start by opening your Figma file. You can do this from the Figma home screen or directly from your recent files. Once the file is open, take a quick moment to locate the design you want to showcase. The thumbnail will be pulled from a single frame, so think about which part of your canvas best represents the project. If you're collaborating, a clear, consistent cover makes it faster for everyone to find the right file. Next, click to select the frame you want to use as the thumbnail. Make sure you're selecting a frame layer, not a group or a nested element. A good rule of thumb is to select a top-level frame so you're capturing everything you want without accidentally clipping or including other content. What you see inside that frame, colors, text, images, and even the background color is exactly what will appear in the thumbnail. If you're designing a dedicated cover, keep it simple and bold. Use strong contrast, a short title, and enough margin so nothing looks cramped. Avoid tiny text and overly busy visuals, since thumbnails appear small in the file grid. With the frame selected, right-click on the canvas and choose Set as Thumbnail. Figma will immediately register that choice. If you had a different thumbnail before, this action replaces it with the frame you just selected. It's that straightforward. No exporting, no extra setup. To confirm the change, go back to your files view. You should see the updated thumbnail displayed on the file card. If it doesn't update right away, give it a moment or refresh the view. Sometimes the preview takes a second to catch up. If something looks off, maybe text is too small or a color doesn't stand out, jump back into your file, tweak the same frame, and set it as the thumbnail again. You can repeat this as often as you like until it looks just right. That's all you need to create a clean, consistent cover thumbnail in Figma. Open your file, select the right frame, set it as the thumbnail, and then check it in the Files view. Keep your design simple and readable, and your files will be easier to navigate for you and your team.